Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best baking accessories is probably one of the most essential investments any home baker can make, transforming everyday ingredients into culinary masterpieces with precision and ease. From perfectly risen cakes to intricately decorated cookies, the right tools elevate your baking game, making the process more enjoyable and the results consistently impressive. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your baking journey, equipping yourself with quality accessories is the first step towards achieving professional-level deliciousness right in your own kitchen. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Get precise temperature readings in just 1 to 2 seconds. This advanced thermometer is pre-calibrated for your immediate use, ensuring accuracy every time. Looking for a thoughtful Father's Day gift? This elegant, ready-to-gift thermometer is ideal for husbands, dads, or any grilling enthusiast in your life. Easily check temperatures with its large, bright blue backlit display. It's perfect for grilling after dark or baking in your kitchen. This cooking thermometer is IP67 rated and water resistant. Simply wash it under running water after use for hassle-free cleaning. Whether you're cooking meat or any other food, this digital thermometer provides accurate results. It's an essential tool for any kitchen. Delivered in a sophisticated gift box, it makes an ideal present for him or her. It's the perfect food thermometer for all your culinary adventures. What we like? This thermometer provides instant and accurate temperature readings in just 1 to 2 seconds. Its large, backlit display makes it easy to read in any lighting condition. If you're tired of guessing temperatures or waiting ages for a reading, especially when grilling in the dark or busy in the kitchen, this is the perfect tool for you. It's ideal for anyone who wants precise cooking results without the fuss. What people say. The silicone baking mats are non-stick and easy to clean. These mats fit perfectly in my baking sheets and prevent food from sticking. The durable material withstands high temperatures, making them ideal for baking. Number 4. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. Introducing a set of measuring spoons crafted from heavy-duty, premium stainless steel. They are built for endurance, ensuring they won't rust or bend, and are designed to last a lifetime. These spoons feature a magnetic design, allowing you to use one at a time and then easily nest them together for storage. Quickly grab the one you need without any hassle. With dual-sided functionality, the narrow oval end fits perfectly into spice jars, preventing spills and waste. The round end is ideal for liquids, and they lay flat on the counter without spilling. Save precious time in the kitchen as these measuring spoons are completely dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after cooking and baking has never been easier. Achieve precise measurements for all your culinary creations with this complete set. It includes a handy leveler to ensure you get the exact amount required every time. Whether you're cooking, baking, or even measuring medicine, these spoons provide accurate quantities for great results. They are perfect for healthy eating and following recipes precisely. What we like? These measuring spoons feature strong magnets for easy storage and a dual-sided design, with one end narrow enough to fit into spice jars. They are also dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. If you're looking for a way to save time and reduce waste when measuring spices, or if you appreciate convenient storage and easy cleaning, this set is an excellent choice. It's perfect for home cooks who want efficiency and accuracy. What people say. This baking set is a great value for the price. The non-stick coating on the pans makes cleanup a breeze. I love the variety of shapes and sizes included in this set. Number 3. TrendPlain 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer. Introducing the TrendPlain 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer. This versatile kitchen gadget offers both spray and pour options for complete cooking control. Achieve perfect results with its precision nozzle, delivering a fine mist or a steady stream. It's ideal for drizzling or spraying exactly what you need. Manage your daily oil consumption effortlessly. Each spray dispenses just 0.15 g of oil, promoting healthier cooking with less waste. Crafted from BPA-free glass, this dispenser is odorless, non-toxic, and heat-resistant. It's a safe and healthy choice for your everyday cooking needs. We stand behind our product with a lifetime assurance. Use this kitchen essential with confidence, knowing we're here to support you anytime. What we like? This oil dispenser offers both a fine mist spray and a controlled pour, allowing you to manage your oil intake precisely. Each spray dispenses only 0.15 g of oil, promoting healthier cooking. If you're aiming for a healthier lifestyle, want to reduce oil waste, or prefer a versatile tool for both spraying and drizzling, this is the perfect kitchen gadget for you. It's ideal for salads, air frying, and general cooking. What people say. The dough blender is made of sturdy stainless steel and has a comfortable non-slip handle. The pastry blender works well to cut butter into flour for flaky pie crusts. It is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Number 2. Spring Chef Dough Blender. Tired of struggling with cold butter? This professional pastry cutter makes it easy to create perfect baked goods every time. Its sturdy design and thick stainless steel blades are built to last. Forget old methods. This tool is designed to cut cold butter into flour effortlessly, giving you superior results for all your homemade treats. Its durable metal blades are twice as thick as others for unmatched performance. Wow your guests with incredibly flaky biscuits, pie crusts, and pastries. It quickly blends butter into flour for a uniform texture, ensuring a yummier end product. This pastry cutter is a baker's essential, effortlessly slicing through cold butter. It's far more effective and easier to use than a fork or masher, delivering consistently better results. Bake for longer without discomfort. The pressure-absorbing soft grip handle prevents sore hands and wrists, making it ideal even for those with arthritis. It's safer and easier to handle than plastic alternatives. Beyond dough, this versatile tool can chop fruits, vegetables, and nuts. It's also perfect for mashing baby food, making salsa, guacamole, or chopped eggs. Plus, it's conveniently dishwasher safe. What we like. This dough blender features heavy-duty stainless steel blades and a comfortable, pressure-absorbing grip for ease of use. It's designed to cut cold butter into flour effectively, creating better textures in baked goods. If you enjoy baking and want to achieve flakier biscuits, pie crusts, or pastries, or if you have hand or wrist discomfort, this tool will make your baking process much more enjoyable and efficient. It's also great for chopping nuts or mashing soft ingredients. What people say. The silicone baking mats are non-stick and easy to clean. The set includes various sizes of baking sheets, perfect for different recipes. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Number 1. NutriChef 8-piece non-stick baking pan set. This comprehensive 8-piece set has everything you need for baking cakes, loaves, and muffins. It includes a variety of pans to suit all your baking needs. Enjoy easy baking and cleanup with its superior non-stick coating. You won't need extra butter or oil, and food releases effortlessly without any strange odors. Bake all your favorite treats, from cookies to cakes and pies, with confidence. It's heat safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for creating delicious desserts. The commercial-grade bakeware features red silicone handles that stay cool to the touch, preventing accidental burns. They are also stain-resistant and easy to clean. When not in use, these pans stack neatly together, saving valuable kitchen space. They are compatible with standard and convection ovens, as well as refrigerators and freezers. What we like. This comprehensive 8-piece bakeware set includes a variety of pans, all featuring a durable non-stick coating for effortless food release and easy cleanup. The heat-proof silicone handles ensure safety while handling hot pans. If you're setting up a new kitchen, need to replace your old bakeware, or are looking for a complete set that makes baking cakes, cookies, and muffins a breeze, this is an excellent investment. It's perfect for bakers of all levels who value convenience and quality. What people say. The silicone baking mats are non-stick and easy to clean. The set includes various sizes of baking sheets, perfect for different recipes. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.